Hi, Chris here, and video number 3 of hexagonal bolt. I'm going to project some of these lines across from this view to that view. So I'll go to line, I'll pick on the end point, and I'm going to zoom in, put my crosshair here, wheel in with my woolly mouse, and I need to pick on perpendicular. I'll hit escape, zoom out of it, and draw a line from that end point. Bring my crosshair over here, zoom in a bit, pick on or hover over that line, see perpendicular comes up, pick on that, hit escape, zoom out, and then I'm going to use trim, right hand click on the Blake, pick on there to trim, pick on there to trim. I also want to pan this over. I'm going to zoom in on this end of the bolt, and I'm going to chamfer the edge of the bolt here. So I can't see chamfer here, but there's fillet and there's a down arrow, so I hit the down arrow to the right, and there's chamfer. And with chamfer you can either do it at distance or an angle. So we're going to do it an angle. So we type in A for angle and specify the chamfer length to the first line. So let's make that 1 mil. And first line, specify the angle from the first line, say 45 degrees, and pick on the first line, pick on the second line, see how it does a chamfer, right hand click to repeat chamfer, pick on the first line, pick on the second line. As you hover over it, you'll see the ghost of the chamfer happening. When I pick on that, that's a chamfer, and that chamfer represents the thread. So if I now draw a line from that end point to the left, and this will be the length of the thread, and let's make this thread say 30 mil long, enter, and to finish the thread is generally on a 45 degree angle. So what we can do is we can type in from that point, and we specify a length, so let's make it say 20 mil, which is too long, but we can always trim it off. And then we go shift less than symbol, and we give it an angle, so 90 and 45 is 135 degrees, so we type in 135, hit enter, enter to finish, pick on trim, right hand click on the black, trim off that, hit enter. And we're going to use mirror now, so if we come up here to mirror, pick on mirror, it says mirror, select the object, so we select that line and this line and hit enter, and it wants to know the first point of the mirror line, so I'm going to pick the midpoint, just drag the mouse to the left, and if F8's on ortho, all I need to do is pick, and then it asks, do you want to erase the source objects? I don't, so N for no, but N is a default setting, so I just need to hit enter, and there we've drawn in our thread. If I go Z for zoom, E for extents, there, and zoom out a little bit with my wheelie, there you'll see our bolt starting to look alright.